Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the essentials: API access, a framework choice, and a repo. First, place your API key in an environment variable and never hard-code it. Next, scaffold a minimal app using your chosen framework and install the official SDK or an HTTP client. Then create a server endpoint that proxies requests to the OpenAI API and enforces simple auth. Once done, confirm the endpoint returns a test response before building the UI. Now connect the UI to your proxy endpoint and implement prompt composition. Combine system instructions, dynamic user content, and context history. Make sure to manage conversation state efficiently, pruning or summarizing older messages to control token costs. For responsiveness, enable streaming if supported so you can render partial replies as they arrive. Otherwise, chunk long outputs. Also add retry logic with exponential backoff and simple rate, limiting to handle transient API. Finish by validating end-to-end flows and running load tests that simulate real users. Make sure secrets are rotated and stored with proper permissions, and add monitoring and alerting for error rates and cost spikes. Once stable, optimize prompts to reduce token counts and add a graceful fallback, cached answers, or a simple apology if the API is unavailable. Quick troubleshooting tip: if responses are missing or cut off, check token limits, streaming config, and request /response size on your proxy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.